And like its standard version, Pfizer's pediatric vaccine is administered in 2 doses spread over 3 weeks. All right, so we've heard from doctors and we've heard from parents about this, but how do the kids feel about the possibility of getting vaccinated? New tonight, 10 TV's Richard Solomon spoke with 2 young dancers on what being vaccinated could do for them.
If dancing was a subject in their school,
I like to come and dance so that I can be happy again.
Aaliyah and Kaz would ace every single test.
It's another culture of dancing, hip-hop, there's breakdancing, there's poppin', there's house.
The 2 9-year-olds get footloose here at the Flavored Flow studio. But lately, more rules have made practices a little harder.
I'm fine with wearing a mask, except it does make it hard to breathe sometimes.
But soon, a maskless class could be real. On Tuesday, an FDA panel recommended emergency use authorization of Pfizer's vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11, meaning these 2 are one step closer to feeling safe.
I want to get it because I can go to school and see my friends without having to get sick or get them sick.
We depend on each other, and the vaccine's important to help us in life. And when you have the vaccine, you feel safe.
And their instructor, James Alexander, wants to be able to see his students smile, safely, of course.
That it just opens up everything for us to get closer to getting ahead of this, and the kids can, safely take off their masks without me worrying.
These 2 are just hopeful a vaccine for them can pass all of its tests.
Like for the past 2 years, you can't see anybody's face, so you might not recognize them. And it'd be really crazy to just see them again.
In Columbus, Richard Solomon, 10 TV News.
From the mouths of babes, great interviews. Well, the next step for approval is from the full FDA. That decision could come within days. Then the CDC Advisory Committee is scheduled to meet sometime next week.